the old building, I would always remember, I'd always remember coming in through the front doors, and I would see all my friends and stuff, and I would smell them cooking the lunch in the cafeteria, like the smiley face tater tots. I always liked those.
So they called my mom and, of course, made her come down and made me apologize so I could come back into the class. It was over something silly to me, and I just was being a little brat. I'm not gonna lie, I was being rebellious.
I remember the smell of the old building. It was kind of just, it smelled like there's a lot of generations there, and I really remember the cafeteria, and I remember all the long hallways.
If you could think of a Southern gentleman, that was Mr. Culbertson. He was wonderful. He was fair and consistent and so mild-mannered, but was able to control any problem and handle any problem as a gentleman. To see so many of them come back and succeed, I've had them former students run me down in the mall asking, you know, aren't you Miss Peacock, or aren't you from St. Andrews? And they tell me how well they've done and what they've done with their lives, and it's so exciting to see them and their children.
One thing I do remember about the cafeteria, we had the stoplight, red, yellow, and green. So the red would mean no one could talk in the cafeteria, and the yellow would be, you know, just use your 6-inch voices. I do remember one time, I think it was an accident where they put it on green. So of course, kids just got wow.
I thought it was really nice, though sometimes the trailers could confuse me. Like, so they're set up like this, and I would get lost there sometimes.
I remember I would get dropped off by the flagpole because I was really nervous walking by myself. So my mom and her friends would meet my friends all there, and we'd walk inside the building together.
You know, I remember seeing pictures from my kindergarten promotion. We would wear a cap. We didn't have like a gown, and we would have this stick with a with like this cutout happy face on it. And I don't remember the promotion that well, but I remember seeing pictures of the promotion. So those are some of the things I remember about St. Andrews Elementary School. We were the pebbles because St. Andrews High School were the rocks.